Alright folks, so today we are changing the fog lights for the crown. As you can see, I jacked it up. It's supported pretty well. Um, I took the bulbs out, but after I put it back on, I will show you guys the bolts or nuts that we have to take out. You don't have to take out the whole underneath, like the panels underneath. Just a few bolts, and you just push the covers down, and you can reach into the bulb housing and the connector and the clips. So yeah, so let me try putting it back on, and then I'll make a quick update and see how it goes. So this panel goes right in the screw holes. So I lined everything up. There's, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws. And I only have 5 screws in my hand. Right. So. So these are the yellow halogens I just put on. These are 9006. Just like a direct fit. Just connector just plugs in. I think I showed there's like about 5 or 6 screws, 10mm screws that you undo from the underneath to get access to the panel. And yeah, it's just a connector and just clips right in. Looks pretty cool. I wanted the yellow. I wanted the LED ones. They're brighter yellow. I have them on the Subaru, but these I guess would do for now. These kind of look like just halogens. I really wanted the JDM yellow ones, but let's see. If I find another set that's nicer or LEDs, I'll definitely be switching over to those. But yeah, that's it for now. Alright guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick update. So got the yellow fogs. Got the yellow fogs installed earlier in the day. Just wanted to see how it looks. On camera it looks kind of halogen. Looks like halogen, but it's actually yellow, but doesn't show as much in the camera. In the back, all LEDs. Just take one more look. Yeah, obviously it's not gonna come up to in the cameras at night. But yeah, that's how it looks like. Just wanted to give you a quick shot.